What's up, riders? Welcome back to Rider Fusion, your ultimate destination for everything dirt bikes, gear, and off-road adventures. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated Beta rr-xpro My 2025-25cc dirt bike, a machine designed to redefine your off-road experience. Stick around because this is one ride you won't want to miss. Sleek design and build quality. First up, let's talk about the design. The Beta rr-xpro. My 2025 is a visual masterpiece with its sharp lines, aggressive styling, and race-inspired graphics. It features a lightweight aluminum frame that boosts handling without compromising strength. The sleek bodywork isn't just about looks. It's designed for better ergonomics, making it easier to maneuver through tough trails. Engine performance and power delivery. Under the hood, or should I say, under the seat, the 250cc liquid-cooled engine packs a punch. With optimized power mapping, this bike delivers smooth yet aggressive torque, perfect for both seasoned riders and those stepping up their game. Beta has truly dialed in the balance between power and control, suspension and handling. Now let's talk about suspension, arguably one of the most critical components for any serious dirt bike rider. The xpro. My 2025 features fully adjustable front and rear suspension, allowing you to fine-tune the setup for any terrain. Whether you're tackling rocky trails or launching off jumps, this bike absorbs impacts like a champ. Braking and control is everything in off-road riding, and the Beta rr-xpro doesn't disappoint. With high-performance disc brakes and a lightweight design, you get precise stopping power when you need it most. Plus, the upgraded clutch system offers smoother gear shifts, giving you the edge on technical sections. Advanced features and tech. The 2025 model comes packed with modern tech, including an updated digital display for essential ride metrics, enhanced traction control, and a redesigned exhaust system for improved performance and reduced noise. Beta clearly listened to rider feedback and delivered a machine that's ready for the future. Final verdict. Host. So, what's the verdict? The Beta rr-xpro. My 2025 250cc is a game changer. It combines power, precision, and innovation to give riders a dirt bike that can conquer any challenge. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a competitive racer, this bike has what it takes. Call to action. What do you think of the Beta rr-xpro? My 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Rider Fusion, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and adventures. Until next time, keep the throttle wide open and ride safe.